Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing some pebble dashing. So I'm going to start off by putting the beads on, and then I'm going to put a scratch coat on. This is going to be with normal sand cement, so this is going to be a 3-to-1 mix. Right, let's go and get it beaded up. So this is the scratch coat. This is 3-to-1 with red sand and cement, and it's got integral waterproofer in it. I always start right to left when I'm doing sand cement. This is so that once I've got it on, I can keep the thickness all the way through because I'm constantly working into the stuff. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pebble dash the conservatory. When you're doing a mortar mix, especially when there's black tarmac on the drive, you really want to cover it as well as you can. That's why I put some of this plastic sheeting down. This is just to stop any of the white mortar getting onto the tarmac. So the conservatory is going to be pebble dashed in black and white spar. So we're going to have a white backing. So what I'm going to use is some white silica sand, and then I'm going to put some lime in it as well as some white cement. So the mix is going to be 4-1/2. I was going to mix this in my big mixer, but I've not really got enough area to justify getting the mixer off. I'm going to be using my new mixer, which I'm quite excited about. Right, what I'm going to be doing now is mixing the stuff up. I'm going to do this in a bucket and then pour it into my barra. Right, one thing I will say when using lime, make sure you wear gloves. The lime can eat through your hands and it does get quite painful at night. Right, if you watch the way that I do my pebble dashing, this is the paddle I use. This has been handed down through the generations. So basically, it's like a paddle, but it's just been rounded through years and years and years of paddling, basically. So when I'm putting on, I scoop into the bucket, and then I spread so to make sure that I get a nice even pattern. Right, I'm just going to show you now how I do it. Always make sure you've got bags down to catch the pebble, that's always the good tip. Right. So it's a flick of the wrist. I'm constantly moving the pebble into the stuff that I'm using. Always be looking for bald spots as well. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. I drop these videos every Tuesday, so if you do like them, please subscribe and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers guys.